Dave with Tornado here. Today I want to talk about the CK ULW 13.1 upright vacuum from Tornado. We're going to go through the use and maintenance, but one of the things you're really going to want to notice about this vacuum is just how easy and light it is to use and pick up and move around. Behind the unit, you're going to see the foot pedal. Just step on that foot pedal, lower the vacuum, and you're going to notice two settings on that handle. One is for low speed and one is for high speed. Low speed is going to be for your hard surface floors. And now we switch over to high speed for carpeted areas. One of the key features that I want to point out, notice the LED light in the front of the machine. Even in bright settings, it really helps to illuminate the cleaning path. Now that we've done our vacuuming, let me show you how to unzip the clamshell design outer bag and show you how to remove the inner bag. You'll notice the quality of this bag, fleece lined bag, and we do that for HEPA considerations. One of the neatest features of this bag, when you slide it out, it immediately self-seals so the operator doesn't get a face full of dust. To insert the new bag, simply slide the plastic down into the channels, lock it into place, and you're ready to go. Now we're going to swing around to the back of the machine, and you'll notice it comes standard with this strain relief cord. We also have a cord protector on both ends of the extension cord, giving you a 12-inch pigtail and 30 feet of additional cord. You'll notice on the other end of the power cord, we also put a cord protector, and that's so that you can add an additional cord for longer reach. Let's take a look at the bottom of the machine. This is where you're really going to see how it's designed to transition from carpeted surfaces to hard floor surfaces. We've got 3 wheels on each side, which allow that transition to just go from carpeted to hard surfaces without slipping and moving around on the floor. You'll also notice that we've included a squeegee felt right behind the brush roll, and that's to kind of keep the dirt trapped in there and not spraying all over the floor on hard surface areas. Let's take a look at the brush roll. The brush roll is offset to the left side of the machine. That's for easier and more effective edge cleaning. And if you ever needed to, which you will when the brush roll wears down, is to remove it. 2 quarter turns, each screw removes the strike plate, and then the brush roll pops out for easy removal. Now to reinstall it, put the belt around the brush roll, lock it into place on one edge, and it pops in just like that. Affix your strike plate back on, quarter turn to tighten, and you're back in action. You'll notice here on the rear bottom, we've got a thermal reset switch, and then this handy QR code, which allows someone to scan it with their phone and go right to the landing page for the CK ULW 13.1. And of course, the best thing about an ultra lightweight vacuum is the weight. At less than 10 pounds, anyone can carry this around and clean anywhere with power and ease.